The latest numbers from the State Department of Health on the COVID-19 pandemic. Illinois reported more than 4,000 confirmed cases in the last 24 hours. Health officials attribute that number, though, to expanded testing. There have also been another 144 deaths. WGN's Patrick Elwood live from the Thompson Center tonight with our report. Patrick?
Hi, Joe. It's a message that the governor has heard before, and he's hearing it again today, and he'll hear it again tomorrow. You're doing a good job, but you need to reconsider opening up or changing the Restore Illinois plan. That's the message tonight from a coalition of mayors from McHenry County.
Well, I want to be very clear that we support the governor's initiative completely.
McHenry County Board Chairman Jack Franks tonight on Governor J.B. Pritzker's Restore Illinois Reopen plan. Jack's a Democrat as well, says he's not trying to make politics out of this, just lobbying on behalf of his constituents, individuals, and business owners.
What we're saying is McHenry County should not be part of the Northeast region, which includes the city of Chicago.
Franks is leading a coalition of McHenry County mayors, 25 of them, who are appealing to the governor to reconfigure the regional map. Currently, McHenry is part of the Northeast sector, but their COVID positives are lower than other counties in the group, enough, says Franks, to be treated differently.
Our numbers are much different. I can tell you where I live in Marengo, I'm 62 miles away from the city of Chicago, and it's a totally different world.
In a letter to the governor, it reads in part, quote, Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot enacted modifications to the Restore Illinois plan to address her city's unique circumstances. Similarly, McHenry County has unique circumstances that make it no less unique and no less deserving of further review, unquote. At his daily coronavirus briefing, Pritzker had this to say about why the map was drawn the way it was, because people may live in one area and commute to another, such as a much more populated Cook County and Chicago, which carries the greater risk, he says, of getting and passing on the virus.
And that's one of the reasons why there's a danger to people who live very nearby, because as they travel to and from work, they have the potential to carry the virus back and forth.
But Franks, on behalf of his coalition, says yes, some people travel to and from, but with the proper social distancing and other guidelines in Phase 3, safety and helping businesses and employees do not have to be mutually exclusive.
Either he should create a separate one just for McHenry County or put us in another region so we're not tied to Cook County and being held back to go forward to open up our businesses.
Chairman Franks says he will follow up with the governor's chief of staff tomorrow morning. But the bottom line here is, Mike and Joe, he's heard it from Republican lawmakers in recent days. Now he's feeling the pressure from those within his own party.